Yeah, last video, it's still that day. It's still the last day of November, so there she is. And we didn't get much miles today. I actually just needed milk because I'm doing a bacon and redskin potato chowder. So I needed milk and a little bit of cream, so I needed to go and get that. And because it went over 45 today, I decided to take the bike. So let's get to putting gas in her. Wow. 1.3 on the nose. Now, let's see what kind of fuel economy I did break into 80, I think, a few times, so we'll see. 51.6 divided by 1.3. Oof. Boy, that's terrible. Boy, that is really bad. I don't know if it's the winter gas or what, but man, it's like my fuel economy is going just in the bucket. That's the worst fuel economy I've ever got on this bike, so I don't know if it's the cold air or the winter gas, I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty bad. So, well, I guess that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, click that ding to be notified of any new videos I come out with, and bye y'all.